Everyone, today I'm going to present my EE102 term project Burton. In my project I used a monitor and a mouse. I take the mouse input signals from the USB port and send the video output signals from the VGA port. Let me explain my game. In my game there is a reset and start function. When a game starts, there are two types of birds, a small bird and a big bird, which appears randomly when they are out of the boundaries of the screen. And there is a hit marker which is controlled by the mouse. When you aim and hit them, they disappear and appears in a random position on the screen. When you hit the small one, you get 2 points, and when you hit the big one, you get 1 point. And point is demonstrated 7-segment display. And that's all. This is my project. Thank you for watching.